This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Anthony Benedetto. This updated 2-bedroom ranch is truly move-in ready. Recent upgrades include a modern kitchen and bath, new flooring throughout, energy-efficient vinyl windows, and a durable low-maintenance vinyl exterior. A new roof, privacy fence, and freshly paved blacktop driveway add even more value. Inside, a high-efficiency forced air furnace ensures comfort all winter long, while the upgraded 200-amp electrical service provides plenty of power for today's needs. Set in a quiet, well-kept neighborhood, this home offers both peace and convenience, with shopping and a beautiful park just minutes away. For more information, review the details below.